Costco run. Hey there, happy Obon. I'm going to Costco to get me something for lunch. The weather's starting to get better. Not rainy anymore, that's good. I hope there aren't a lot of people. But then again, it's a weekday. Costco, here we are. Okay, it is currently 11:20 a.m. I'm here to get me something for lunch, and that is all. Let's see how long it's going to take me. Finished with my shopping. Now to the snack bar. No hot dog, no pizza. I just want my double choco chunk cookie. Out the door. And it only took me 17 minutes. Check that out. Return the cart. Now it's time to get me something to drink. A grande soy decaf latte. Ice, of course, in a benti cup. Lunch is ready. I got my miso shiru with tofu or tofu with miso shiru. Cherries, avocado, got my latte, and of course my rotisserie chicken. Happy summer break.